Good afternoon, my viewers, wherever you're watching from. This is a 7 plot of land where we have a poultry farm on 7 plots of land. You can see one of the hatcheries. These are the cages. It's quite a big place. You can see these are the blue doors. This is for fish ponds. See all the fish ponds as far as your eyes could see. It's quite a big place, close to a major road. This is what we have here. And see, all fish ponds. Let's see what we have here. These are staff offices. Admin block. And see how big it is. It's large and 7 plots of land. That's the security house. It's close to a major road. These are all staff offices. You can see where it's got the 3rd road. It's a nice property. A modern poultry farm. You have everything. You have the space to play with. This is the 3rd road. So it's up for sale. So contact me on all the numbers displayed on the screen if you are interested for inspection, for a physical inspection. We are waiting for your call. Thank you.